Welcome back to the Essential 8 Cybersecurity series. Continuing our journey through the Essential 8 Cybersecurity strategies, we now focus on the second vital strategy, patching applications. Regularly updating your software isn't just a routine, it's a fundamental practice to address vulnerabilities. No software is developed 100% secure, and even if it was, it wouldn't stay that way as technology advances. Cyber adversaries are often targeting outdated applications or applications that have vulnerabilities uncovered, making patching a critical task for your cybersecurity arsenal. Here's how you can enforce it. Stay informed. Regularly check for updates from software vendors. Just to name a few, Microsoft provides various ways to get updates for its products, such as Windows updates, Microsoft updates, Microsoft 365 apps, and Microsoft Store updates. Adobe also offers updates for its products such as Adobe Acrobat, Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro. Google provides updates for its products such as Google Chrome, Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos through the Google Play Store or the Google Chrome menu. Even browsers like Mozilla offer updates for their products such as Firefox, Thunderbirds, and Firefox Monitor, and they do this through their About Firefox or About Thunderbird menus. These vendors and many others have means for end users to subscribe to notifications or newsletters for timely information about vulnerabilities and required updates. I would highly recommend you subscribe to at least the vulnerability alerts for the major products you use. Prioritize your updates is also critical. Identifying critical updates and addressing security vulnerabilities and prioritizing those that directly impact your digital environment. Don't leave an application vulnerable for any longer than absolutely necessary, as cyber criminals become aware of the vulnerability at the same time when the public do. And trust me, they will take full advantage of this vulnerability in their next campaign. Schedule regular updates. Establish a routine for applying patches and updates and automate the process where possible to ensure consistency. By staying current with patches and updates, you fortify your system against the potential threats, forming a dynamic defense against emerging cybersecurity risks. Remember, patching applications is a proactive step to ensure your digital environment stays secure and resilient. Now, if you need some guidance on implementing patching practices or have any questions, feel free to contact us. Now, stay tuned for our next video as we continue unraveling the Essential 8 Cybersecurity Framework.